Been a long time coming, but we done been fell apart. I really wanna work this out, but I don't think you're gonna change it. I do, but you don't. Think it's best we go our separate ways. Tell me why I should stay in this relationship when I'm hurt, and baby, I ain't happy, baby. Plus there's so many other things I gotta deal with. I think that you should let it run. I'm feeling it the same in your body. Don't want to, you know, gotta let it go. 'Cause the party ain't jumping like it used to. Even though this might ruin, let it burn, let it burn. Gotta let it burn. Deep down you know it's best for us.
Happy 18th birthday, Francie!
Happy 18th birthday, Francie!
But you know that it's over. Let it burn, let it burn. Gotta let it burn. I'm twisted 'cause one side of me is telling me that I need to move on. On the other side, I wanna break down and cry. Oh, I'm twisted 'cause one side of me is telling me that I need to.
Lagi mong tatandaan na sana lagi mo isipin yung mga sasabihin ng mama at papa mo at susundin mo sila, pati na rin si Lola. Alam ko, matutupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Happy birthday!
Can you hear me burning, baby? Too many days, too many hours, I'm still burning till you return. Feeling it the same in your body. Don't want to, you know, gotta let it go. 'Cause the party ain't jumping like it used to. Even though this might ruin, let it burn, let it burn.
Ayun, happy birthday, Lian. Siya yung unang-unang baby, no? Sa grupo. We've seen yun grow. Kung gano'n ka kabait simula bata hanggang ngayon, pagpatuloy mo lang yun, mag-aral mabuti, makinig kay mami tsaka kay daddy. Marami ka pa mararating.
Let it burn, gotta let it burn. Gotta let it
Happy birthday, ate. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung 18th birthday mo. I love you.
I got a heart and I got a soul. Believe me, I wanna use them both. We made a start, be it a false.
Happy birthday, anak. Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Saka lagi mong tatandaan na kahit ano pa man ang mangyari, kahit simula baby ka hanggang pagkadalaga mo, hanggang sa kung ano man journey pa ang tatahakin mo, andito lang palagi si mami para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw. I love you.
I've loved you since we were 18. Long before we both thought the same thing. To be loved, to be in love. All I can do is say that these arms are made for holding you. I wanna love like you made me feel when we.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Lian. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa debut mo. May isang wish lang ako sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo kahit gaano man kahirap yan.
God knows I try. Yet all along I knew we'd be fine.
wish you all the best.
Night wide open, and we'll see everything we can. Live in love in slow motion, motion, motion. So kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks.
Happy birthday, Francine. We love you.
Playground. I have loved you since we were 18. Long before we both thought the same thing.
Happy 18th birthday, Lian. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Kung ano man yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Huwag masyadong magmadali. Ano lang, saktong bilis lang. Yan. Happy birthday.